When was the last time that you paused to observe the world around you, to take it in, to feel the breeze? Through our senses, we interpret and perceive the world around us. This is a day in our basic senses of taste, touch, sight, smell, and sound. Whether it's a cold, early morning yoga class, the laughter and smells of the farmer's market, or a bite of a favorite meal, through your senses, you find your feelings of connection, joy. You find your place in the world, and you gain your sense of understanding. These senses help you create meaning. They help you understand who you are, what you know, and how you want to embody your own human experience. I'll take a quote from Emily P. Freeman that says, "Allow what you know to inform you what you do and how you do it." Spending a day in your basic senses will help you learn about yourself because you're paying attention. When you connect knowledge with what you don't know, haven't seen, or don't understand, then you gain insight on your way of existing. Then you better know who you are and what's important to you, what motivates you, why you make the decisions that you make. This takes what is unconscious and brings it into consciousness. Now you have the power to change and to be intentional. And that is the path to finding growth, wholeness, purpose, and fulfillment. Your senses can bring you into a perfect state of alignment when you pay attention. These senses can be your distraction, but they can also be your guide. This is day 2 in the basic senses on the tour of the senses retreat.